Welcome to the Broker, the trader, where you learn the right information about Forex. So what's going to happen now is that I'm going to assist you to understand that you can actually trade the NAS100 on the IC market, on the MT5 platform, right? You can trade the NAS100, the MT5 platform, starting from opening 0.010. And you just have to know that the simple way for you to understand the lot is that if you want to open one lot, it doesn't mean that it's one lot of 100 contract size. No, it means that it's one lot of one new contract size. Okay, because when I trade in the information market, we're trading with contract size. So we're trading contract size versus the margin. So for you to count how much money you will need, there is a lesson for you. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to understand and count how much money you will need. Okay, so the contract size is helping you to see how much money you will need, and then you'll be able to count the risk from there. So most traders out there, they are actually thinking that if you want to open one lot, then it's a higher risk, then you're gonna blow the account. No. One lot is the same as 0.01 on the other brokers, just because of the difference is the contract size. If you're gonna be looking at we're using the platform of MT4 or the MT5, you will see the contract size of 1 or 100. So make sure that you are not confused with this, because one lot is the same as 0.01, just that the 0.01 is at 100 lot, the 1 is at 1 lot. So it's confusing if you are still new and don't understand it. Okay, so make sure that you are not confused. If you are confused, let me know in the comment section below, because I believe that you are an amazing person. You can be able to manage this and understand it the way that I understand it, because 5 lot is 0.05, 2 lot is 0.02. So actually you can trade there and instead use it. You can, if you want to open an account with IC market, I'll leave a link in the description below. And also you can trade using the derive. You can trade using the derive. So if you want to open an account with